Hello, very good evening, and today we're going to use ChatGPT to create a simple weblog website. Let's see how we can and how quickly we can do that. So on a ChatGPT, I will say create a blog website with 4 links using HTML and CSS. Let's just see what it can do. Okay, so here's an example code of how you can create a simple basic blog website, and it is writing the code for us. See, this is how easy it is. So you can start off with a simple basic templates using ChatGPT, and it can do it in just minutes, in just seconds, if I may add. So it is adding 4 links, and let's just wait for it to finish very quickly. So it has added 4 links like home, about, contact, archive. Excellent. Here's my welcome to my blog website. This is where I post about things, music, main, footer. Oh, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Let's just come here. Now the CSS is being written for this particular website. Let's see what it does. So we have not told it many things, that what colors or background colors or themes or icons or buttons needs to be. So it is going to do it for us automatically. And then obviously, since we have CSS, we can customize wherever we like. But how wonderful is this? And let's see how quickly it does it. So it's writing the code for us. This is it. Please note, this is a basic simple website and it's written for us. So let's just test this. Copy this code, come inside brackets, click on a new file, Control V, go in file, save as, and I would just name it as my documents. And let me just go inside to do website for a previous example, blog.html. So this is my blog.html. And then I come back here, scroll down. Let's just copy the CSS code, Control N, V, Control S, file, again save as, and I will just come here inside my folder again, and this time where is it, the to do task website, and then blog css.css, and I save it here. So inside my blog website, just ensure that from style I will change it to blog, nope, not HTML, blog css.css. I think that's the correct path name. And once we do that, okay, this is not blog, this is clog. I misspelled it. So once we do that, come inside the blog. Let me just run this website again and see how it looks. Here we go. Wonderful. The simple gray background, centralized text. We have 3 links available. Welcome to my blog website. This is my post about my thoughts and musics. Copyright done. So what simple website created just within a few clicks. Hope you love it. Subscribe for more.